Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? Fine, all of you. Okay. Welcome in history class. We have discussed in first chapter about the French Revolution. How the French Revolution affected the whole Europe, not only France, affected the whole Europe. So now in next topic, in next chapter, we will discuss about the socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. And how the Russian revolutions occurred in Russia. First we see that point, age of social change. French Revolution created a dramatic change in the society. And the French Revolution happened in which year? Everybody know, 14 July 1789. It means that revolution created a dramatic change in the societies in many parts of the world, including Europe and Asia. Not only Europe affected, even Asia also affected. New ideas about individual rights. Now people were thinking about their own particular ideas about their freedom, and who controlled social power began to be discussed. Now who will be the ruler here? Now they were discussing these type of points. Next, socialism became more significant in shaping the society. How? Socialism became the most important point in Europe. Here, before the revolution, we want to discuss only one point, Russian Revolution. Who was ruling here? Tsar Nicholas II. Who was ruling here? Tsar Nicholas II. He was very autocratic ruler. Peoples don't have any representation. They were having many problems. To solve these problems, many groups emerged in the Russia, and among these groups, liberals, radicals, and conservatives came. First, we will discuss about one by one. What do you mean by the liberals? Who were the liberals? They want, which type of nation they want? Wanted a nation which tolerated all religions. Tolerated का मतलब they want कि we should give the respect to each and every religion in the society. Equally importance should be given all the religion. Second, oppose the uncontrolled power of dynastic ruler. Dynastic ruler means मैं अगर who is ruling here when Tsar Nicholas II इनकी जो dynastic ruler था उसकी पावर के ऊपर क्या लगाया जाए? थोड़ा सा अंकुश लगा जाए, उसको कंट्रोल किया जाए. एंड थर्ड पॉइंट, सेफगार्ड द राइट्स ऑफ इंडिविजुअल अगेंस्ट गवर्नमेंट्स. यानी कि सेफगार्ड मीन्स प्रोटेक्ट, यानी कि दोज पीपल गेट द इंडिविजुअल राइट्स, दे विल ऑल्सो बी प्रोटेक्टेड बाय अगेंस्ट द गवर्नमेंट. यानी कि ये नहीं कि गवर्नमेंट उनके अधिकारों को हनन करे. नो, विदाउट एनी इंटरफेयर दे कैन एंजॉय. दे आर्ग्यूड for which purpose they argued? For elected parliamentary government. They have given one point also कि elected parliamentary should be there, यानी कि government should be chosen by the people. Fifth, liberals didn't want the vote for women. What is the meaning of they don't in the favor of the women's vote? Because they don't want UAF, universal adult franchise. It means they don't want to give the voting right to each and everyone. They want कि voting right should be given only to the property men, and that's why they were not called the Democrats. Democrats मतलब they don't want to give the power. They were thinking कि चाहे रूलर्स को जार रूल करे, चाहे कोई भी रूल करे, पर इसमें साथ ही साथ किसको रिप्रेजेंटेशन मिलना चाहिए? पब्लिक को भी इसमें पार्टिसिपेशन मिलना चाहिए. तो these are the 5 points given by the liberals. Now go ahead, radicals. They were contrast to the liberals. They wanted a nation in which government was based on majority of a country's population. यानी कि which type of nation they want here? Based on majority of a country's population. यानी कि जो country की जो majority बने वो किसके आधार पर बने? Country's population के according. They supported suffrage. यानी कि they were in the favor of the women's right to vote. They want we should give the voting right to the women also. But liberals did not want the vote for the women. They were against. Third point, but they opposed the privileges मतलब जो special rights of great landowners and wealthy factory owners. They were opposed. उन्होंने इस चीज का अपोज किया, विरोध किया है. जो लैंड ओनर्स थे, जो wealthy factory owners, यानी जो rich factory owners थे, they were having all the special rights. it should be avoided. Fourth point they have given, they dislike accumulation of wealth. Accumulation मतलब concentration of money only in few hands. They were against. इनके according था भाई, property should be divided equally among the society, so everybody can enjoy their life in the proper way. Conservative. These were the totally opposed to liberals and radicals. They were opposed to the idea of change in the 18th century. Up to 18th centuries, they didn't favor that in the society some changes should be there. But in the 19th century, they accepted process involving gradual changes. But in the 19th centuries, they given one favor that in the society some changes should be there. Yani we shouldn't forget our past culture, values and traditions. According to that, we should change. But in the society, we should change in the slow process, not through any revolution. यानी कि वो इस किसी के पक्ष में नहीं थे कि क्रांति के द्वारा एकदम से सोसाइटी में चेंज आए. No. These were the three views given by the liberals, radicals, and conservatives. These are the differences we can also see. In the conclusion, what happened? Three ideas. Different ideas about social change. यानी कि they were also having the clashes between them. Clash during the social and political turmoil that followed the French Revolution. यानी कि French Revolution happened in 14 July 1789. That given the main slogan equality, fraternity, and freedom. These were the three slogans given by the liberty, equality, and fraternity. It means people were thinking, if French people can change their rulers, so why don't we can change? So it means Russian people also thinking, if France people can change their ruler, यानी कि वहाँ पर भी क्या था, monarchy system that converted into the constitutional monarchy, then constitutional monarchy changed into republic, or after the fall of the Napoleon Bonaparte again restored monarchy in the French. So same thing, Russian people were also thinking, with the help of revolution, we can change also our ruler and we can establish our rule here. Okay, thank you. Next topic we will discuss in the next video. Second topic, industrial society and social change. How it is happened? When the factories established and industry set up, so due to industrializations brought men, women and children to factories. And when the factory set up, so many men and women came here for getting the job. Second point, work hours were often long and wages were poor, but they were facing problem. Their working hours were very long. There was no fixed period of time कि how many hours they will do work here, and their wages, we can see that their salary were very poor and very less. That is the second problem faced by the factory workers. Now third, unemployment was common, particularly during times of low demand for industrial goods. How we can say that unemployment was common? Because many men, women and children involved in the factory, they doing the work in the factories, but when the low demand for industrial goods, यानी कि जब इंडस्ट्रीज में गुड्स की कम डिमांड थी, तो उस समय अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट क्या थी, और ज़्यादा बढ़ती जा रही थी उसके वर्कर्स के बीच में बेरोजगारी. And fourth point, housing and sanitation were problems since towns were growing rapidly. These were the two problems also faced by the factory workers, because now people migrated from rural to urban areas. They sat here, so for that purpose towns were growing rapidly. धीरे धीरे क्या बढ़ने लगे, कस्बों का विस्तार होने लगा, वो ज़्यादा बढ़ने लगे, और जब ये कस्बे बढ़ने लगे, लोग यहाँ ज़्यादा रहने लगे. Which problems face here? Housing and sanitation, and the people didn't get the housing facilities here. And sanitation means cleanliness, साफ सफाई का भी कोई ध्यान नहीं रखा जाता था वहाँ पर. For that purpose, liberals and radicals search for solution to these problems. यानी कि why didn't taken the name of the conservatives? Because they want changes should be there in the society, but in the slow process. But liberals and radicals, they want to change in the society very fast. So for that purpose, liberals and radicals search for solution to these problems. It means liberals and radicals search, and they take out one solution for that purpose. कि how can we solve these problems? Now we will discuss next topic. Now next topic, the coming of socialism to Europe, and how the socialism come to Europe. Socialists were against private property. Why the socialists were against the private property? They were thinking that private property is the root of all social ills, those who are prevalent in the society. According to the socialists, they were thinking कि समाज में जितनी भी बुराइयां हैं उन सब की जड़ क्या है? प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी. तो इट मीन्स दे वर नॉट फेवर इन द प्राइवेट property. For that purpose what they have Communist Party was demanded. For that purpose they have made the Communist Party was demanded, in which all property was socially controlled. यानी कि प्रॉपर्टी सभी को मिलनी चाहिए इक्वली, नॉट ओनली 1% या ओनली 2% या 3% या ओनली few percent. नो, private property should be divided equally. For that purpose many socialists emerged in Europe. For example, we socialist emerged here, जैसे रॉबर्ट ओवन in England, लुइस ब्लांक in France, and Karl Marx in Germany. तो Karl Marx was the most famous socialist. Marx argued that, he told that industrial society was capitalist. Why he has given that name? Industrial society was capitalist. Capitalist means those who invest money and those who set up the factories and those who take all the benefits. मार्क्स आर्ग्यूड दैट इंडस्ट्रियल सोसाइटी, मार्क्स ने क्या आर्ग्यू दिया? इंडस्ट्रियल सोसाइटीज किसके ऊपर बेस है? कैपिटलिस्ट, जो अपना मनी किस में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं? फैक्ट्रीज में, और जो भी इनसे बेनिफिट हो रहा है या जो भी इनको मुनाफा आ रहा है, देन हु हैज टेकन ऑल? बाय द कैपिटलिस्ट, यानी दे हैव टेकन, दे आर नॉट गिविंग एनीथिंग टू द वर्कर्स. और जो भी हम मुनाफा कमाते हैं किसी फैक्ट्रीज में, सबसे बड़ा कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन किसका होता है उसके अंदर? वर्कर्स का. सोशलिस्ट डिमांडेड गवर्नमेंट कोऑपरेटिव्स involving productive people. Productive people means if we are earning something, then who is playing the main role in earning? Even workers. So it means we should give the chances to the workers also. We should give some share to the workers. So people who made property productive should get gain. यानी कि जो ये productive प्रॉपर्टी को प्रोडक्टिव बना रहे हैं पीपल, वर्कर्स, उनको भी क्या कह रहे हैं कि मुनाफे में से कुछ हिस्सा मिलना चाहिए. Workers, Marx believed that workers had to overthrow capitalism and rule of private property. Marx believed that कि कैपिटलिज्म को वर्कर्स क्या कर देंगे? हटा देंगे, और किसका रूल स्थापित कर लेंगे? रूल ऑफ प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी. और जितनी भी प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी हो सोशली कंट्रोल होगी, सभी के हाथों में. Marx believed that to free themselves from capitalist exploitation. मार्क्स बिलीव करते थे कि कौन अपने आप को इनसे आज़ाद करवा सकता है? कैपिटलिस्ट से वर्कर्स, उनके अत्याचारों से. मार्क्स बिलीव दैट वर्कर्स वुड विन इन देयर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विद कैपिटलिस्ट. मार्क्स बिलीव दैट वर्कर्स, यानी कि वर्कर्स एक दिन जरूर जीतेंगे. जो भी उनके साथ जो भी डिस्प्यूट्स है उनको कैपिटलिस्ट के साथ एक ना एक दिन उनके साथ वो जरूर विजय हासिल करेंगे. इसके लिए क्या हुआ? कम्युनिटी सोसाइटी वॉज, दे हैव फॉर्म्ड द कम्युनिटी सोसाइटी. Communist society was demanded, in which all property was socially controlled. So for that purpose, many organizations formed support for socialism. Many international or national bodies formed. So in 1870, second international organizations formed in England and Germany for support the socialism. In Germany, who supported this? Social Democratic Party. Or in the Britain, what they formed? Labour Party, those who are supporting to the workers. Or in the France, which party formed? Social Party. What was the main aim of these international or national bodies? They want कि working, reducing the working hours, because before in that topic we have discussed कि that time no fixed hours of the working. So now they have demanded कि reducing the working hours, और second demanding the voting rights. और we have discussed about the three ideas: liberals, radicals and conservatives. Liberals, they were not believe, they were thinking कि UAF, यानी कि we should give only to that person those who are having the property. So now the workers demanded कि we want first reducing the working hours or second voting rights. Next topic we will discuss now. before that we were discussing about the coming of socialisms to Europe. Many socialists emerged here. What they believed? Socialists took over the government in Russia through the October Revolution of 1917. It means October Revolution हुई 1917 में. तो यानी कि who has taken over the government? Socialists. The fall of monarchy in February 1917 and the events of October are normally यानी कि जो भी incident happened हुए अक्टूबर में, that incident normally called the Russian Revolution. If we want to know about the how the Russian Revolution occurred, so firstly we will see the Russian Empire. So the Russian Empire in 1914. Who was the ruler here in 1914? Tsar Nicholas II ruled Russia, and Russian Empire included current day. यानी कि रशियन एम्पायर में क्या क्या इंक्लूडेड थे जो करंट है इसका? फिनलैंड, लातविया, लिथुआनिया, एस्टोनिया, पोलैंड एंड बेलारूस. These areas and these countries were included in the Russian Empire, and up to stretches that empire up to Pacific and comprise in the who made up of कौन से स्टेट और किस एशियन स्टेट्स and Georgia, Armenia and Azerbaijan. That empire was stretches up to here. यानी कि mainly which religion they follow here? Religion Russian Orthodox Christianity. That was the main religion here, followed by the people. That has taken from the Greek Orthodox Church. But besides that, Catholics, Protestants, Muslims and Buddhists were also there. People were also following these religions also. So यानी कि we were study about the socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. How that incident happened, occurred Russian Revolution. So we have seen Russian Empire. Then who was ruling here? Tsar Nicholas II here. Russian empires currently included current day Finland, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, Poland and Belarus. These countries were included, and up to stretches Pacific and comprise some Asian states and Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan. And mainly which religion followed here? Russian Orthodox Christianity. Besides that, Protestant, Muslims and Buddhists and Catholics were also followed by the people here. Thank you.